Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp bisque. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients, focusing on fresh shrimp, aromatic vegetables, and a touch of cream for that luxurious texture. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This classic dish is perfect for a special occasion or a comforting meal, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a delicious result. First, peel and deveined your shrimp, making sure to save those shells. They are crucial for building a flavorful stock. Next, we'll create our aromatic base, or mirepoix, by gently sautéing diced onions, carrots, and celery until they're tender. Then, stir in 1 clove of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, cooking for just about 1 minute to deepen their flavors. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Deglaze your pot with a splash of brandy, then add the reserved shrimp shells. Pour in about 4 cups of fish stock and let it simmer gently for 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. After simmering, carefully strain the stock, pressing firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of deliciousness. For the grand finale, puree your cooked shrimp with a small amount of the strained stock until smooth. Combine this rich puree with the remaining stock and a generous half cup of heavy cream, warming it gently without boiling. Season to perfection with salt and pepper. Serve your exquisite shrimp bisque hot, perhaps with a garnish of fresh chives. And hey, check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.